Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp date and time settings problem. If you're using any WhatsApp, it might be on your Android or iPhone and you are having the WhatsApp date and time setting problem. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, let's know about this problem. Basically, this is a problem if your date and time is not fixed on your current location, so you will get this type error. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to open up your settings. In settings, just go for general, and here you have to look for date and time. Or if you can't get the setting, you can simply search it. Just go for search, and here you have to simply search for date and time. You must have to search for the setting, and once you have that, here you have to change the date and change it to current date and time, or you will get the option of set automatically. You must have to enable that, and once you have enabled, your date and time will be automatically set it. You have to make sure that you have selected the time zone, and once you have selected the correct time zone, you have to enable the setting, and your date and time will be automatically fixed. Now you can easily use your WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp date and time problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.